Hey kids! Ready to explore space? Meet rockets, shuttles, and rovers. Let's go!
I'm a rocket soaring high, blasting off into the sky. 3, 2, 1, watch me zoom. Through the stars I make some room.
I'm a shuttle, sleek and fast, exploring space, I'm built to last. Carrying astronauts far and wide on a cosmic thrilling ride. Space vehicles, off we go, flying high where the stars glow. Planets, moons, a cosmic race, exploring the wonders of outer space.
I'm a rover, I roll on Mars, finding rocks and looking at stars. Slow and steady, I search the ground, discovering secrets all around.
I'm a satellite circling Earth, sending signals of endless worth. I help with maps, calls, and the weather, keeping the world all linked together.
That's our space adventure, kids! Rockets, shuttles, rovers, and satellites! See you on the next mission!